Hey guys, I don't think that the trailer is going to end up working for the sawmill. I just can't get the bed straight. I had to go into the into the Wood-Mizer LT15 manual and see what the technique is for straightening out the bed. I think that there's a problem with the trailer itself, but this is the procedure. You take the rope from the sawmill or another rope or string, and then you measure the distance from the rope to the bed, and then measure on the other side distance from the rope to the bed. And I was getting inconsistent measurements, so they should be the same as shown in this diagram, but they're not. And I'm not quite sure why. If you look, everything looks fine, but I think that the trailer itself might be warped or bent, and that's kind of throwing everything off, because when I go to saw, I'm getting inconsistent cuts. And I think I'm just going to abandon this use of the trailer. It doesn't fit anyways. I would have to modify the trailer. I don't know. What do you think? Does the trailer look bent to you? I put a line in just to see it. I think it's bent. Also, one of the old wires was under the bed, and maybe that was causing a little bit of the boards not being straight. I'm not quite 100% sure. I don't think that was enough to throw off the measurement, though. I think the actual trailer itself is warped. The trailer isn't long enough, so I'd have to extend the tongue. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of an uphill battle if the surface that you're working on isn't straight to begin with. So back to the drawing board. I'd like to have the trailer, the sawmill on a trailer so that it's portable, but it's not worth all of the work. I mean, I could get the real trailer itself that goes with the Wood-Mizer for a little over $1,000. I mean, that's expensive, but it's designed to work just right. And I already have all the logs home, so I need to saw at home anyway. So the sawmill's going back on the ground next to the log pile. And for now, that's that. Yeah, I thought that this was going to be the ticket, but unfortunately, no go. What do you guys think? Do you think I should abandon the trailer, or do you think I should be working on this a little bit more to get it to work? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.